Hey, praisers and savers. Look at my hair. Hey guys, we are back at Walmart today. We just have so many great deals that I want to keep going. There's Elizabeth, my sidekick, and Hannah. And make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you are interested in signing up for any IBOTTA, Fetch, Shopkicks, or Swagbucks apps, please make sure you sign up using my referral code in the description box. And there's also a printable breakdown in the description box. Boom, there it is right there. I have been working really hard on that, so please utilize it. All right, guys, let's get started.
Oh, wait.
What?
Also, I made the new intro.
Oh, you did? She did make the new intro, so check that out. Tell us how you like it.
I like it.
All right, guys, so we got this deal yesterday. This is the Suavitel Complete. It is $2.97. What you're going to do is pick up 2 of these at $2.97. That is going to be $5.94 before any kind of rebates. IBOTTA does have a 25 cents off on each, but I've already used that this week, so I cannot use that today. So I'm not going to factor that in at all. Shopkick has about $1.68. Elizabeth, thank you for being my video. Worth of kicks, and then also there are 700 swag bucks, which is $7, and this makes this a $2.74 moneymaker. Awesome moneymaker. Okay, I've done this deal once already. I'm going to do it again, so make sure you pick up 2. You're going to submit to IBOTTA if you have it. Shopkicks and swag bucks. For me, it's going to be a $2.74 moneymaker. All right, I really love these Let Me Shine dishwashing detergent tablets. They are $3.97. You are going to get both of those 2 packs for $7.94. And then you're going to submit to IBOTTA for 50% off each, and I think you can do this up to 3 times, pretty sure. So I'm going to pick up 3 packs. So at $3.97, I'm going to submit that, and then take off $6 because it's going to be $2 off for each pack, and that's going to bring everything down to $6. So it's going to be 50% off. Now, somebody told me, I think it was Saving with Christina, said that this was actually on her swag bucks. I checked my swag bucks. It is not there, but check your swag bucks because you would never know if it is, because some people have different deals. So picking up 3 bags of this detergent for $6 for all. So I've been to a couple of different Walmarts trying to find these Clorox compostable wipes. Going to pick up 3 of these for $5.48 each. That's going to bring our total to $16.44 before any of our coupons or rebates. And then I'm going to submit 2 swag bucks for 1,000 swag bucks, which is $10. So it's going to make all 3 packs of wipes $6.44. Great deal. All right, so I tried this fruit hydrating juice water last week, and it's $3.98. It was actually really good. I think I tried the strawberry kiwi one.
Yeah.
I did. Okay, so this time I think I'm going to try the fruit punch one. Now the $3.98, you can do this 5 times on IBOTTA, but I'm just going to do it once, and it's $2 off, so 50% off, because you don't really see a whole lot of packs of water like this, you know, it's getting hot outside. Yeah, give me one of those. So $3.98, submitting to IBOTTA for $2, getting back. Yep, we're gonna get that. Trying not the fruit punch this time. We'll see how we like it.
Yeah. So this is $1.48, and we're gonna get 50% IBOTTA.
50 cents
50
IBOTTA.
cents IBOTTA.
So the Nutella is $1.48, and you can get 5 of these Nutella Go's. She loves these for her lunchbox. And there's a 50-cent IBOTTA for each on the app. So I got this deal on the Penoline all-purpose, multi-purpose cleaner yesterday actually, and the Penoline is let me look at my notes, $2.47 each, and you're gonna buy all 3 of them. So it's gonna make it $7.41 before coupons or rebates. On the Swagbucks app, there is opportunity to get 500 swag bucks, which is $5, which brings it down to $2.41 for all 3 together. Hey, praisers and savers, just got back from Walmart, and I got everything that I showed you in the cart for $16.92 after the IBOTTA, Shopkicks, Swag Bucks, and also I didn't count in the Fetch reward, so it's actually $15.92. I usually don't count Fetch in there because the point system is like very minute. So I got 5 Nutella Goes. They were $1.48 each. So that was $7.40 before coupons. My daughter always gets these, so this is something that we'll definitely use. She puts them in her lunchbox. And then IBOTTA gave us 50 cents for each because you can do a limit of 5. So that was $2.50 worth of IBOTTA. So it came out to $4.90. The Clorox compostable wipes, I bought 3 of them. You have to buy 3. And they're $5.48 each, which brings your total to $16.44. I love seeing the deals on like the Clorox wipes, the cleaning products, the tissue, paper towels, all that, because you think about where we were a year ago, we stopped getting deals on this. So now we're starting to get deals again. So I'm going to start loading up again. So it was $16.44 for all 3. There's $10 worth of Swag Bucks, and it brought my total down to $6.44 after the rebates. The Swaddle Tail Complete, I got that again today. I got 2 of those for $2.97 each. And I didn't like get to show you the tag in the store because there was a worker guy right there in front of it. So that brought the total to $5.94 before rebates. I had 420 Shopkicks, I think, because you can scan 20 kicks in the store and then you get 400 Shopkicks. So that's $1.68 worth of Shopkicks. And then also I got $7 in Swag Bucks, which is 700 Swag Bucks with $7 equivalency. So that was a moneymaker of $2.74. Then I got the Penoline multi-purpose cleaner. I also got the lavender just like I did the other day. So I got 3 of those. And they were $2.47, which brought our total to $7.41 for all 3. 500 in Swag Bucks, which is $5 equivalency, brought our total to $2.41 for all 3 multi-purpose cleaners. Really good deal. I didn't get the floral ones. I'm trying to stick with the lavender. I did get the Fruit Leaf 4-pack. I told you guys that the Fruit Leaf was really good. I enjoyed it. It's like a hydrating juice drink, and they are $3.97 each for a 4-pack. I only got 1, but I think you can get up to 5 if you want on the IBOTTA app. And there's a $2 off on the IBOTTA for each one. So it brought it down to $1.97. And last but not least, I got the Let Me Shine dish detergent tablets. It's actually like a 50% off on the IBOTTA app. You can get, let me change my math. I got 3 of those at $3.97. So I got to change my math totally because I told you something wrong a minute ago. So I got 3 of those at $3.97 each. It made it $11.91, and I took off $2 each on the IBOTTA app, which is actually $6 on the IBOTTA app. So it brought my total down to $5.91. So actuality, sorry guys, my total ended up being with IBOTTA, Fetch, Shopkick, Swag Bucks, all those things, $18. And I will post the Fetch rewards. I think it went on the $1 probably. I think $1. I'm gonna put it on for you guys. $1 went on for Fetch for the so break that off. $1 on the Fetch went for the Clorox wipes. So that did take it off for the Fetch. But I always do. I love the Fetch reward app. You never know what you're gonna get. I scan everything from like Wendy's receipts to shopping receipts at clothing stores. So I always try and see. So with all that, it wasn't a huge great deal today, but I do need the Nutella Go. She uses those. I do need the Clorox wipes. Those are things I definitely need. So check out the deals and let me know in the comments what you like to get this week that I didn't mention in the video. Thanks, bye.